funny voices I can do, and noises I can make. Let's get started. Number 1. Three is fine. It's only gonna go up to like 5. Yeah, Mickey Mouse. Ha. I suck at Mickey Mouse. Oh, sorry. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on what I should do next. And as you can see, I was alone because my friend was away. But go check out his channel that I'll leave in the description.